Hello and welcome to our video guide on how to resolve performance issues after upgrading to Windows 11 23H2. But don't worry. Step 1. Check your system requirements. Firstly, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft has listed these requirements on their website, so ensure that your computer meets all the requirements before upgrading. Step 2. Update drivers and software. Next, ensure that all your drivers and essential software are up to date. Outdated drivers can have a significant impact on performance, so it's crucial to update them regularly. You can check for updates by visiting the manufacturer's website or using specialized driver update software. Step 3. Remove unnecessary programs. Remove any programs or applications that you no longer use. Uninstalling unnecessary programs can free up space on your hard drive and make your computer run faster. Step 4. Disable startup programs. Startup programs can slow down your PC's performance, especially if they are not needed. To disable startup programs, press Ctrl+, Alt+, Delete on your keyboard and select Task Manager. From here, click on the Startup tab and disable any programs that are not essential. Step 5. Adjust your visual effects. Windows 11 has beautiful visual effects that can be quite resource-intensive. To adjust these settings, right-click on the This PC icon on your desktop and select Properties. From here, click on the Advanced System Settings option and then on the Performance tab. You can choose the option to adjust for best performance or customize the settings further. In conclusion, if you tried all the above steps and you still experience performance issues, consult with a professional computer technician. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you can now enjoy your Windows 11 experience hassle-free. Thanks for watching.